Transaction fee comparison across different blockchain networks. Transaction fees are the charges that users pay for executing transactions on blockchain networks. These fees serve as an incentive for nodes or miners to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. The transaction fee structure varies across different cryptocurrency networks and depends on factors such as network traffic volume, transaction complexity, and the pricing model of the platform or wallet being used. Here's a comparison of transaction fees for some of the most popular cryptocurrency networks. 1. Bitcoin. Average transaction fee, $1 to $20, factors affecting fees. Block size. The larger the block size, the higher the transaction fee. Transaction priority. Users can prioritize their transactions by paying a higher fee. Platform or wallet. Transaction fees may vary across different platforms and wallets. 2. Ethereum. Average transaction fee, $5 to $50, factors affecting fees. Gas price. Gas price is the unit of currency used to measure transaction fees on Ethereum. Gas price is dynamically determined based on supply and demand. Transaction complexity. More complex transactions like smart contracts require more gas and consequently higher fees. Platform or wallet. Transaction fees may vary across different platforms and wallets. 3. Litecoin. Average transaction fee, $0.1 to $1, factors affecting fees. Network traffic volume. The higher the network traffic volume, the higher the transaction fee. Transaction priority. Users can prioritize their transactions by paying a higher fee. Platform or wallet. Transaction fees may vary across different platforms and wallets. 4. Ripple. Average transaction fee, 0.011 XRP, approximately 0.04. Ripple's transaction fees are extremely low, making it a popular network for microtransactions. 5. Tron. Average transaction fee, 0.01 TRX, approximately 0.02. Tron's transaction fees are also very low, making it suitable for high-volume transactions. Important points. Transaction fees can fluctuate significantly across different cryptocurrency networks. Always check the transaction fee before initiating a transaction. You can use various platforms and wallets to compare transaction fees. Networks with lower transaction fees may have slower transaction confirmation times.